How much should you really spend on a personal blender? I see people buying cheap ones that barely blend and others dropping over $100 on something that's just loud. The truth is, price doesn't always mean performance, and today we're cutting through the noise to find what actually works. Product number 1, Ninja Fit Compact. First up, the Ninja Fit Compact. This one caught my eye because it's from Ninja, a brand known for serious blending power, but at under $90 it's not breaking the bank. It comes with two 16-oz cups and spout lids so you can blend and go. If you want strong performance in a small package without overspending, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 700-watt motor uses pulse technology to crush ice and frozen fruit like a champ. That means no more chunky smoothies or half-frozen strawberries ruining your morning routine. The nutrient extraction feature actually pulls vitamins from skins and seeds you'd normally toss, so you're getting more nutrition per sip. Plus, it's compact enough to live on your counter without hogging space, and everything's dishwasher safe. Over 10,000 people bought this last month, which tells me it's doing something right. Now, some people complained about the smaller cup size. 16 ounces might feel tight if you like loading up on greens or protein powder. Here's the thing though, if you're making single servings and prioritize portability, that size is actually perfect. It forces you to keep portions reasonable and fits easily in most bags. This is perfect for you if you want reliable blending power, easy cleanup, and don't need giant batches. Skip this one if you regularly make smoothies for 2 or prefer larger volumes. For under $90, it's solid value. Product number 2, Magic Bullet 11-piece. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious smoothie lovers, the Magic Bullet 11-piece set. At just $44, it's one of the most affordable full-featured personal blenders out there. Don't let the price fool you. It includes tall and short cups, a party mug, multiple lids, and even a recipe guide. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 250-watt motor isn't the strongest, but it handles soft fruits, yogurt, and light greens just fine. It's not built for crushing ice or frozen blocks, but if your smoothies are mostly fresh fruit and liquids, it gets the job done. The cross-blade design lets it chop, mix, and blend, so you can even whip up dips or baby food. And because all parts are dishwasher safe and BPA-free, cleanup is genuinely stress-free. With 10,000 plus sales last month, clearly a lot of people are happy with what they got. Now, some people complained it struggles with frozen ingredients or thick mixes. Here's the thing though, if you're blending room temperature fruits or pre-chopped frozen stuff, it works fine. But if you're tossing in whole frozen bananas or ice cubes regularly, you'll notice the motor straining. This is perfect for you if you're new to smoothies on a tight budget or only blend soft ingredients. Skip this one if you love icy, thick shakes or want heavy-duty performance. For under $50, it's a great starter pick. Product number 3, NutriBullet Original. Now, if the Magic Bullet's power worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach, the NutriBullet Original. Priced around $64, it sits right in the sweet spot between affordability and performance. It's got a 600-watt motor and a 24-oz cup, making it ideal for bigger servings or heartier blends. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The extractor blade is designed to break down tough fibers in spinach, kale, and seeds, so you actually absorb more nutrients. That's huge if you're using your blender for health gains, not just taste. The 24-oz cup gives you room to add protein powder, oats, or extra liquid without overflowing. And honestly, the design is so simple, just push, twist, and blend, that even my mom could use it without instructions. Over 10,000 buyers last month proves it's a crowd favorite. Now, some people complain the blade assembly can leak if not tightened perfectly. Here's the thing though, as long as you hand tighten it firmly, don't overdo it, leaks are rare. And since the blade comes off easily, cleaning is still a breeze. This is perfect for you if you want better nutrition from your smoothies and prefer larger portions. Skip this one if you need ice-crushing power or travel frequently with your blender. At $64, it delivers serious value for daily health drinkers. Product number 4, Ninja NutriPro. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're serious about smoothie quality and willing to invest, the Ninja Nutri Pro is where things get exciting. At $127, it's the priciest on this list, but you're getting 1000 peak watts, Auto IQ presets, and pro-grade extraction. If you want restaurant-level results at home and hate guessing blend times, this one's built for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Auto IQ programs automatically time your blend for smoothies or crushed ice, so no more underblended greens or overworked motors. The Pro Extractor blade pulverizes ice into snow in seconds and unlocks nutrients from whole fruits, including peels and stems. You're literally getting more vitamins per ounce. Plus, the 24 Oz cups with spout lids make it easy to drink on the go. Now some people complained it's louder than expected and takes up more counter space. Here's the thing though, that power has to come from somewhere and the sound means it's working hard. And yes, it's bigger, but if you use it daily, that's a fair trade for performance. This is perfect for you if you blend daily, love frozen drinks, and want consistent, hands-off results. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only blend occasionally. For $127, it's an investment, but one that pays off in every sip. Product number 5, Consciat 11-in-1. Finally, if you want maximum features at a surprising price, meet the Consciat 11-in-1. At just $36, it includes 3 different cup sizes, extra seals, a cleaning brush, and even self-cleaning mode. It's packed with tech like overheat protection, non-slip feet, and a 900-watt motor. If you want a lot of gear without spending like you're buying from a premium brand, this one's a steal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The asymmetric blade pulls ingredients toward the center for smoother blends, and the turbulent structure in the cup ensures even mixing, so no chunks hiding at the bottom. The 25,000 RPM motor handles frozen fruit better than most blenders under $50. And the self-cleaning function, add soap and water, run it for 10 seconds, and you're done. Over 6,000 sold last month shows people are catching on. Now some people complain the plastic cups feel less durable than glass or thicker Triton. Here's the thing though, they're BPA-free and dishwasher safe, and for under $40 you can afford to replace them if needed. It's not built to last a decade, but it'll easily handle a year or 2 of daily use. This is perfect for you if you want lots of accessories, strong blending for the price, and don't mind slightly lighter build quality. Skip this one if you prioritize long-term durability or ultra-quiet operation. For $36, it's easily the best bang-for-buck pick here. So which one wins? If you want power and precision, go Ninja Nutri Pro. Need affordability with decent performance. Magic Bullet or Consciat won't let you down. Want balance? NutriBullet Original hits the sweet spot. And if you love portability with strong blending, the Ninja Fit Compact is your guy. There's no single best, only the best for your kitchen, your budget, and your smoothie style.